Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to allow another admin to edit stories in your Telegram group using the latest update on the PC app. If you manage a Telegram group and want to give your fellow admins more control over stories, follow these simple steps. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to the account that has admin rights in the group you want to manage. Next, find and open the group where you are an admin. You'll see the list of your chats on the left. Just click on the group name to enter. Once you're inside the group chat, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Click on the three dots to open the Group Options menu. From the drop-down, select Manage Group. This will bring you to the group's management settings. Inside the management menu, find and click on Administrators. Here, you'll see a list of all admins in your group. Click on the name of the admin you want to give story editing permissions to. A new window will open showing the admin's current rights. Scroll down until you find the Manage Stories section. Under this, look for the option labeled Edit Stories of Others. Toggle this option on to allow the selected admin to edit stories posted by other admins in the group. After enabling this permission, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the window. This will apply the new rights and update the admin's abilities immediately. That's it. The selected admin can now edit stories created by other admins in your Telegram group. This feature is especially useful for collaborative groups where multiple admins need to manage and update stories efficiently. If you ever need to change these permissions again, just repeat these steps. Keeping your admin rights up to date ensures your group runs smoothly and everyone has the access they need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for more Telegram tips and updates.